Hello the tube. I was over my mother's yesterday up in the attic and remembered I had this, so I thought I'd bring it over, do a little video. It's the Weihrauch HW45. As far as I can remember, it was 5.5 to 6 foot per pound. Just the manual. I had this when I was 16, so that's 24 years ago, and still like new. I remember when I bought it, it was £126, but that was back in the day. This thing is immaculate. .5mm, 0.22 cal. I've been watching a few videos and a few of them show that when you cork it, you can use the hammer, pull the lever back, and I think there's one or two videos that show when the lever is up to about this level, it can be corked halfway, so that'll give you half the power. And then of course you can cork it to about that angle and that'll give you the full power. But I can't seem to get it corked halfway, to be honest, so I'm not sure if that was put on at a later date, I don't know. Put the barrel down the, put the pellet down there, sorry. But yeah, this thing is solid. Brilliant for plinking, target practice. The secret with these is, with the 2.2s, you've got to hold them really light grip and leave the recoil do his thing. What I was told with the 177, it needs a tight grip, but I found this one is quite on the mark. Fair play. Made in Germany. I'm not sure, I think they're walnut grips. But yeah, this thing is like new. I haven't shot it for a while, a good couple of years, and I said I'll do a few videos, penetration tests and whatnots. But yeah, general plinking and on the loft, down the field or in the garden. But I'd recommend this gun to anyone. I'm not sure what the White Star they call it, the Black Star, the new version. For a gun that's about 24 years old, it's the bollocks. Excuse my language. But yeah, I love it. Open sights. It's got a rail you can put the scope on. Safety catch, ambidextrous. When you cork it, you've got to manually put it on to safety. Do with a bit of a clean. But yeah, this is my gun. There are many like it, but this one is mine. But thank you very much for looking, and I'll try and get some videos up quite soon. So thank you very much once again. Cheers all. Take care. Have a good Sunday. Buddy Bach out. Ciao.